Now I'm going to Google Ads dashboard and creating new campaign. So the main video which I am going to create ad will be displayed here. After that, these three will be in the suggestion. Hi all viewers, welcome to Digital Marketing Hub. This is Harish here. Today in this video I am going to explain you step by step how to increase your YouTube views using Google Ads. If you are growing a YouTube channel, you want to increase your YouTube views and subscriber count using Google Ads, this video is for you. Watch it till the end. Before we jump into the Google Ads tutorial, you need some of the requirements to do this. I'll mention you that one by one. First requirement is you need an account in Google Ads. So it is easy and free. Just sign into Google Ads and create an account. And second important thing which is required is YouTube channel with at least 4 to 5 videos. Why 4 to 5 videos is important? Because YouTube has a recommendation system. If you are promoting a video using Google Ads, that particular video is getting lot of views and also good watch hours, YouTube will automatically recommend the other 4 videos of your YouTube channel so that you can get additional views and lot of chances to increase subscribers. So that is why you need at least 4 to 5 videos before you start promoting using Google Ads. We are going to create video discovery ads. Let me show you how it works. When you search for how to start a YouTube channel, you can see this video is coming at the top, but it is an ad. We have a lot of other videos suggested by YouTube, but video discovery ad placed on this video, so the YouTube is showing this in front. You can see there is a small icon which is showing that it is ad. So that is how we are going to place our videos in Google Ads, so that your videos also will appear at the top of the search result, and there is a chance that 70% of people are going to click on your video when you place video discovery ads. This is my Google Ads account. Before we start creating ad, we have to switch the view from normal view to detailed view. Why? Because in normal view we get only few options here. If I click this particular icon, it is now shifted to detailed view. Now we can see lot of options available here. Now to create ad, go to tools and click linked accounts. Why? Because we have to link our YouTube channel to Google Ads. Only then we can create video discovery ads. So after I come here, I could see YouTube, and if I click for details, I've already linked my YouTube channel with Google Ads. If you want to link your channel, you have to click this plus icon and link your channel. After linking the channel, you can create video discovery ads. Now I'm going to Google Ads dashboard and creating new campaign. There are a lot of options offered by Google Ads, but one we are going to choose is create a campaign without goals and guidance. Now after that, we have to choose video ad. Since we are going to promote our YouTube videos, we have to choose video ad. Now after this, we have to choose custom video campaign and click continue. Now let us name our campaign. So Digital Marketing Hub Views is going to be my campaign name. Now it is asking for bid strategy. We have to choose maximum cost per view, which means you set the most you are willing to pay each time your ad is viewed. Each time when our ad is viewed by a person, we have to pay Google. So that is the bid strategy we are going to do now. Since we have chosen CPV, now we have to create our campaign total. So the total budget of my campaign is around 500 Indian rupees, which is roughly around $7.5. And now it is asking for start and end date. I'm going to give start date is on 6th of August and it is going to end on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means on 10th of August. So now Google automatically says that 500 rupees campaign, and it is going to spend 100 rupees daily for 5 days. So beyond this 500, Google will not spend from our account. So that is the budget limit, and on every single day it will not spend more than 100 rupees. So this is the condition given to Google. So on the whole 5 days, 500 is the budget and 100 rupees is the daily budget. So this is our campaign budget, and I'm going to run this ad in India. And languages, I'm going to choose English. If you want, you can also choose include other countries, and you can also include a specific state or a city. So you have all the options. You can also include a specific pin code. So it is also available here. So I am going to target the entire India country. So I'm choosing India. And languages, since my channel is in English language, I'm choosing English. So now we have to choose inventory type. So I would recommend you to choose standard inventory, and if you choose expanded inventory, your ads will be shown on adultery contents also. But I won't recommend you that. You can choose standard inventory. For entertainment channels, you can choose expanded inventory, but since my channel is on education and digital marketing, I am choosing standard inventory. Now we are coming to the part exclude types and labels. So I don't want my ad to run on live streaming videos. So I'm clicking this, and also in embedded YouTube videos. Embedded YouTube videos in the sense, if someone is embedding a video in their personal website, on that website my ad should not be played. So I'm clicking embedded videos. And the contents not yet labeled also, I am ticking it. So why I'm choosing all these three options? Because I don't want my ad money to be wasted. Only in these places, if my ad is played, I will get views. I don't want to play on embedded videos and live stream videos. Now it is asking an option related videos. If I click related videos, you can include any 2 to 5 videos from your channel as a related video, which means your main video ad will be played here, and these 2 or 5 videos will be displayed at the bottom. At the very first I mentioned you, right, like you should have at least 4 to 5 videos. Why? Because YouTube will recommend other 2 of your videos also. So I'm going to choose 2 of my videos. Let me go to my channel. So these are the bunch of videos I have, and I'm going to promote this particular video, how to find. So I'm going to promote this, how to find trending topic for YouTube videos. This is the main video which I'm going to promote. So apart from this video, I am going to give another 2 videos in the related video session. So I am going to choose keyword research video, 100% free keyword research. So let me add this. So I have added one video now. So let me pick my second video. So I'm going to choose free alternatives for Canva. So these videos are interrelated to each other in digital marketing. So I'm choosing this 2 video. I can also add another video. So let me add another video. Best text to speech software. So I've added 3 of my videos which is interrelated to digital marketing, and I'm clicking done. So the main video which I am going to create ad will be displayed here. After that, these 3 will be in the suggestion. After that video, they also have a possibility to click these 3 videos. So that is how Google Ads work. So let me click done. Now it is asking for ad group name. So if you are creating 2 ads under a same campaign, under this campaign, if you want to create 2 different ads, you can add ad group name, but we are going to create only single ad, so it is not necessary to give group name. So now let's go to demographics. So I want male, female and unknown everyone to see my video. Since it is an educational video, I don't want age 45 to 54, 55 to 64, 65 plus, and I should take unknown also. So I want 18 to 44 to watch my video, and I don't have any conditions here. So if you have any conditions, you can remove top 10, 11 and make all the modifications. I want 18 to 44 age people to see my video, and I don't care about any other demographics. If you want, you can do modifications. Now let us go for audiences. If you want any specific audience, like if my channel is about digital marketing, right? So if I click digital marketing, I can narrow down the searches. So digital marketing jobs, digital marketing services, all the topics are here. If I want, I can go very specific, but I don't want to go that specific. Instead, I can give keywords. So I will ignore this field audiences. Instead, I am going to give keywords. So what are all the keywords related to the video which I am going to place ad? My video is on how to find trending topics for YouTube. So I want to find keyword for particular topic, how to find trending topics for YouTube videos. So let me copy this and I'll go to harishinactors.com. So I'll give you the link in the description. So this is my website. So let me go to free keyword research tool. So I will give the website link in the description. In that I am going to use Edge Super Tools. If I click here, it redirects to Edge Super Tools. So if I place this, so it is going to give me all the keyword. Let me select YouTube, and if I paste this, so this will give me all the keywords which is related to this particular title. So how to find trending topics for YouTube videos, how to find trending topic for YouTube videos 2021, how to find trending topics on YouTube, how to find trending topics, how to find trending topics for YouTube, how to find trending topics for YouTube in Pakistan, and how to find trending topics for YouTube videos, how to find trending topics for YouTube videos, ideas for YouTube videos, how to find unlimited topic for YouTube videos, how to find topics for YouTube videos, YouTube content ideas, YouTube channel. No, this is not related to our topic. So be specific, be careful about choosing the keywords, because if you are not giving the correct keyword, you will not reach the correct audience, so that your money will be wasted and your views will not go up. How to find trending topics for tech channel, how to get topics for tech channel, how YouTube trending videos today. No, this is not our topic, so I'm not choosing this. YouTube daily topics for YouTube, trending topics to make YouTube videos, how to find YouTube video topics, how to find trending topics for blog, how to know trending topics on YouTube, how to grow. No, it is not related to us. How to find trending topics in Google. No, this is not related to us. We are going to do for YouTube, right? YouTube trending topics 2021. How to find unlimited video ideas. So we have almost selected a lot of keywords. Now let us copy all these keywords. Just click copy, and then let us go to a keyword session in Google Ads, and let's paste this. So Google is now calculating the estimate. About 2 billion people are searching for this kind of topic. So these are the keywords. If you want, you can also go to topic specific. So for my video, there is no specific option. If your video is on any of these niches, you can narrowly target people. So I am going to give with this keyword. So I don't want any specific topic to be selected. So let's close this. And ad placement. If you want, you can place ad on any of the popular YouTube channel also, but I don't want to do that. Now it is asking maximum cost per view. So in the starting, we have said Google that maximum CPV. Now Google is asking what is your CPV for each view. So for every view, I don't want Google to spend more than 1 Indian rupee. Okay, so this is it. If you want, you can increase limit by 20%. Now it is saying that Google will first look for 1 rupee. Else, if it is not performing well, it can go to the extent of 1 rupee 20 paise. Else, you can also go and give that 100%. If Google couldn't perform well with this 1 rupee budget, Google can extend its budget up to 2 rupees for a single view. So that is the bidding, but I don't want to do this. I'm just keeping it 1 rupee per view is the maximum bid. So now let us give the video link here. So the video is going to be get the shareable link. So I've copied the link, how to find trending topics on YouTube. I'm going to paste it here. So it is asking that skippable in-stream ad or video discovery ad. So this is the important place. We have to choose only video discovery ad. If we choose for skippable in-stream ad, your ad is going to be played in between the video of some other person. Instead, we have to give video discovery ad only then if a person is searching for these keywords, the keywords which we mentioned here, your video will appear in the top of search results. So for these keywords, your video is going to rank in the search results. So that is what video discovery ad is. Now we have to give headline for this. So let us give how to find trending topics. Now you can see this sentence is displayed here. So when a person is looking for these keywords, if he sees this heading, there is definitely a lot of chance for a person to click here. You should have a good thumbnail and you should have a relevant topic related to all your keywords. So that is very important. Now we should give description 1. Now let us say unlimited topics. Okay. And description 2, latest method. So this is description 2. Now you can see in desktop it will be like this, and in mobile your ad will be like this. So we have given all the names and topics. Let the ad name be video views. So every single thing is done. And let's give a glance. We have given a name and we have bidded CPV, maximum cost per view, and the campaign total budget is 500 rupees, and ad is going to run for 5 days, so 100 rupees every day. And I've chosen India as a country, and now the language is in English and the inventory is on standard type. I don't want my ad to run on embedded and live streaming videos and the contents which not yet labeled, and the related videos to my ad is these 3 videos. So when my ad is appearing, the main ad is appearing here, these 3 videos will appear. So I have chosen the 3 videos also. So, and I have chosen the age should be 18 to 44, and the keywords, I have chosen the keywords, and I have also told you how to find the keywords, and you can choose Edge Super Tools and get the keywords. And then the bidding is maximum 1 rupee per view. So that is the bid. And we are choosing video discovery ad. We want our ad to show when a person is searching for a keyword. So it is video discovery ad. Now it's all set. So let's create the campaign. So if I click create campaign, now it is asking for confirmation and it is just giving the brief of everything. And let's check all this a little bit and then give continue to campaign. So now ad is placed. So now you can see the ad is placed and it is showing not eligible because we have placed ad from 6th of August. So at the 6th of August the ad will be in eligible status, and now ad is also under review. So within 1 business day the ad will start to run. So we should wait for some days and I will post the results on how this ad is performing and how much the views is increased. If you go to my channel, you can see my channel is now having 57 subscribers and the views are all about 1.8k views, and this is the watch time. Now the ads is placed in Google, so let us see the ads how it performs, and after the ads let us check the analytics how it is happening. So I will post that in the separate part of the video. Thank you. That is all about today. I hope I have served some useful information, and if you are into digital marketing, blogging, YouTube, Facebook and make money online, consider subscribing the channel. See you. Bye bye.